Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're just going to be testing a Tokamori 417 and this one is a DMR build which is got a full spec internally. So it's got a Gate Titan Advanced, it's got the Prometheus Type Wall Barrel, it's got the hard gears, it's got the Prometheus Bearings, it's got Prometheus Air Nozzle, it's got the Prometheus Gold bars into the stock here for the stock conversion. We've got the Prometheus Selector plate, Prometheus Tappet plate. It's got the gold Epsilon trigger there just to set it off aesthetically. It's also got the Warhead high-speed motor, the Psionic R Hop. It's got the EagleSix Upgrade Spring M120 in this one. It's got the Laylax Trigger pin in the side. It's got FPS Cylinder, FPS Piston, FPS Cylinder Head, FPS Piston Head and an FPS Spring guide. And that's everything on the build. So obviously, like I said, this is DMR spec. We're going to be testing on 4.3s and we're just going to demonstrate it working. So. There we go, so everything's all tested, hopefully no problems, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.